Today we're giving you a closer look at these Tusk Disposable Nitrile Gloves. These are something I use all the time, whether it's at the RM studios or at my house. These are great for changing air filters, oil, or just cleaning parts. These are going to keep the chemicals off your hands and keep your hands clean. So if that's something you need to do, you definitely want to pick a set of these up. They come in a 100 box. They're available in sizes large and extra large. They're true to size. And if you're not sure, you can check your Moto glove and just get that same size. You should be good to go. Now, with that being said, one of my favorite features of these gloves is number one, they're super stretchy and durable. But number two, they don't tend to swell like some of the other nitrile gloves. So I like these. They're a great addition to my toolbox, and I'm sure they will be for you as well. So you're going to want to check these out on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you need something to get you over that $75 mark, this is a great way to do it. So again, check them out on our website. If you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ETVMC. Thanks for watching.